Good day, fellow investors. In this environment of stocks going up, and everything you buy goes up and up, I really want to discuss about ugly times investing. I've been investing for 20 years, I've seen good, I've seen bad, and I think it's always good to remind ourselves as investors that bad times will always come. Might come tomorrow, might come in the next 10 years, but sooner or later bad times will come. And the key is to be prepared. I know bad times will come, I'm ready for that, I accept it as a given, and therefore I want to do this video to just put a little seed to prepare you for what will certainly come in the future. Because if you are prepared, then you know how to take advantage of that, how to accumulate wealth even in bad times, and that's the secret to investing. So we continue with our series on key investing concepts, soft concepts that are often overlooked. Click that like button if you enjoy these kinds of videos. And let's speak about good and bad times. So, investing, great periods. We are now in what it is, 11-12 year period of booming stock prices. If we look at the S&P 500, it is more than 5x since 2009. So anyone that invested here made really good money, including me. I cannot complain, but over the years we also have had really bad money. Imagine someone that started investing in 2000, saw the dot-com crash, saw the financial bubble crash, real estate bubble crash, and invested constantly over time, and his portfolio was down, let's say 30-40% after 10 years of diligent investing. That is a very bad, ugly period, and you need to have the stomach to survive that, because such periods might be around the corner. And especially if we look at the long-term statistics, there were many bad periods of negative or zero returns. Especially if you adjust for inflation, these periods get longer and longer. And Miro here commented that he bet heavily on China, and that's also a reason why I want to make this video. Yes, it's positive risk and reward, but what if it takes 7 years for the reward to come up? What if we have 7 years ahead of bad, ugly investing, as we have seen in the previous charts? Are you ready for that? And let me know in the comments below if you're ready for a decade of ugly. Two charts from Professor Macquarie that shows 30 years of disappointing investments from 52 to 82. 30 years of very bad, just dividend returns investing. 1964 to 1994, look at the returns over 30 years, and we might have a bad period ahead like this. So you might think, okay, what am I going to do? Because yes, stocks have positive returns over the long term, but there are always these bad periods that can last a while. And actually, ugly investing are the moments the greatest investor talk about, not just buying in negative sentiment, but this can last for years, and that's the key. So what to do? And if you think about it, Warren Buffett accumulated his wealth during bad times. So from my perspective, ugly times will be the time to pound on opportunities, accumulate, and then when exuberant times come, then you just enjoy the rewards of being patient and diligent in bad times. But I feel the current market, especially YouTube investors, I feel 90% of you out there don't understand that ugly times can come ahead, that will come ahead. And I just want to prepare you for what will certainly come. And the key thing to think about is buying value, investing in businesses, enjoying the business returns, not the stock prices, reinvesting, and allowing for compounding. Because yes, everyone says easy investing in index funds, stocks just go up, just look at the S&P 500, what it did. Yes, that's easy, but just look at the S&P 500, what it did. So those that invested in businesses accumulate dividends, reinvest especially in bad times, those accumulate wealth over time. Those that do not think enjoy good periods, but usually panic when bad periods come, and bad periods will always come ahead. So I will continue with my series on these soft topics. Don't think the ugly will happen tomorrow. It might happen tomorrow, it might happen from 2029 onward. I just want you to keep it as a possibility in mind, and also to make decisions now, keeping in mind, okay, the ugly can happen tomorrow. Am I okay if it happens? Is the business really good? Will I survive? Am I happy with the dividend if the ugly stock market period is ahead? And that's what makes the difference when it comes to long-term investing and long-term successful investing. Subscribe, check my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.